ByteDance just released something huge. And if you skip this, you're going to miss a massive shift in AI video creation. You no longer have to build from scratch at all. This new feature grabs the exact creative blueprint of any viral video, its style, look, and feel, and completely remakes it. No complex prompts, no editing. Just upload and watch it work. The platform is called Pippit AI, and their newest update? It's called Reference Video. And it is a total game changer. It doesn't just get inspired by videos, it literally clones them. We're talking camera moves, colors, and that cinematic vibe. Plus, it's powered by Seedance 2.0 for incredible quality. But here's the interesting part. Don't click away just yet. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the original video versus the AI version. The result will actually shock you. First things first. Hit the link down in the description, or just search for Pippit AI on Google. Either way gets you to this exact page. Notice how clean the layout is? It's super simple, meaning there is zero learning curve here. Just sign up using your email. The second you log in, you get free credits instantly. Need more later? You can actually earn them right inside the app. We are going to start by making a stick animation. This is where Pippit really shows off its cinematic power. Let's break it down step by step. But wait, before we do anything else, we have to pick the right AI model. This is the exact spot where most beginners mess up. They just stick with the default setting and ignore it. Please don't do that. For content that is story-driven, engaging, and cinematic, you absolutely need Seedance 2.0. It is their top-tier model. It delivers the highest quality on the platform and gives you that polished, professional vibe that actually grabs attention. Always choose this one for high-end videos. Now, take a look at this little bulb icon. Click on it. This is your upload button for the reference video, and this is where things get really fun. But remember, this trick works for anything. A TikTok trend, a YouTube clip, an Instagram reel. If you see a video with cool movement or a style you love, just use it as your reference. Pippit will scan its creative DNA and build it back up from scratch. You don't have to type long prompts. You don't have to edit for hours or guess the right camera angles. Just upload your file, and Pippit takes care of all the technical heavy lifting. Now, watch this part closely. As soon as the video finishes uploading, a text prompt pops up automatically. Pippit has already scanned your clip and written out everything happening inside it. The motion, the vibe, the speed, it's all packed into one perfect prompt. You can change this text if you want to swap out a character or background, but if you want it to look just like your reference video, don't touch it. Leave it exactly how it is. That is what I am doing today. I'm letting Pippit's auto prompt do the work. Next up, pick your aspect ratio. I'm going with the vertical format for this one. Then, choose how long you want the video to be. Finally, hit that generate button. Give it about a minute. That is seriously all it takes. Pippit runs the reference through the Seedance 2.0 model and drops the final video right here on your screen. You don't have to open other apps or stare at a crazy loading screen. One click, 1 minute, and it's finished. Now, let's see the final result. Check this out. We have the original video on the left and the AI-generated version on the right. They are playing at the exact same time. Notice how the structure, the speed, and the overall feel match up perfectly. Pay attention to how the camera moves, the way the light hits, and how the scene transitions. Pippit didn't just put a cheap filter over it. It learned the actual directing style of the video, and it did all of this in under a minute without me typing a single word. It looks amazing. It's incredibly close to the original, and in a few spots, it honestly looks a bit smoother and cleaner. That is the magic of Seedance 2.0. Now I found another popular video. This time it's a fruit animation, and I want to clone its style. So, I click that same bulb icon, upload my reference clip, and watch what happens. The prompt builds itself right at the bottom of the screen. Pippit studies the footage and types out the perfect description for you. You don't have to do a thing. I am going to leave the prompt exactly as it is. No edits, no overthinking. Because that is the real beauty of this system. You don't have to be an AI expert. The software does the heavy lifting. Now, I'll set my aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts and pick my video length. Click Generate, give it a minute or two, and your brand new video is ready. Let's take a look at the result.
How could you do this to me? After everything we've been through, you just throw it all away! I can't believe you!
I can't take this anymore! Get out of my sight! Are you crazy? You just smashed it! How could you do this to me?
I can't take this anymore! I'm leaving!
The footage looks incredible. To save it, just hit the download button right here. No extra menus to dig through. But don't skip this next part, because we are taking it to the next level with Pippit Max. Head back to the model menu and select Pippit Max. I'm going to upload another viral video as a reference. The prompt writes itself again, just like the smooth process we saw earlier. Now this is where things get really exciting. And honestly, most users completely miss this trick. Do you see the little plus icon on your screen? Give that a click. It opens up a brand new upload box, and it is a total game changer. This is where you can upload your very own image. It could be a selfie, a picture of a product, a drawing, or a logo. Literally anything. Pippit will grab all the camera movements, cool effects, and lighting from your reference video and wrap them perfectly around your custom picture. Just think about how crazy that is. You find a trending video with a cool zoom or a moody color style. You upload it. Then, you upload a picture of your own product. Suddenly, Pippit copies that viral energy but puts your item front and center. And you didn't have to tweak a single complex setting. And now, the moment that proves it all. Original reference on the left, the cloned AI version on the right. Both are playing at the exact same time. They look almost identical in how they move, how fast they cut, and the overall vibe from beginning to end. The difference is barely noticeable, and that is by design. Pippit's reference video tool was built to bridge the gap between amateur and pro. It takes a proven viral format and copies it so well that nobody will even know. No writing complex prompts, no editing timelines, no special skills needed. You just provide the inspiration, and Pippit hands you the final product. That is the whole process. Upload, generate, done. And there's actually even more to this tool. If you click on Image and then choose your model, you unlock a highly advanced AI image generator right inside the dashboard. And you'll find even more tools packed into one spot. Click over to Avatar and Voices, and you can create lifelike AI avatars instantly. You don't need any other websites or expensive software. Everything you need lives right inside Pippit. You can find the link down in the description, and I've also pinned it in the top comment. Seriously, go test out Pippit today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.